Hey everyone, this is Asa with GoZone WiFi, and I'll be providing an overview of the Marketing4WiFi dashboard to show how turning your basic Wi-Fi into Smart Wi-Fi can help grow your business and increase revenue. GoZone's easy-to-use software allows businesses to build guest contact lists, increase security, and remarket to your guests, all with the goal of driving revenue. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll begin by looking over a personalized Wi-Fi login page, also known as a splash page. This is what your customers will see when logging into your new Smart Wi-Fi. With GoZone's user-friendly splash page editor, you can create fully branded and customized splash pages, just like the one that you see here, that will act as a login point for your Wi-Fi guests. You can use as many or few login options as you like, or give your customers the ability to opt out and connect right away without offering any data. If you chose to allow users to connect with Facebook, they will be prompted to like or check into your business, building social awareness and boosting engagement. After a guest is connected, you can redirect them to any page of your choosing. For example, if you're a restaurant, you could send them to your menu or a specific page on your website. So to show that example, we'll go ahead and sign in via the email option. Put in the email. Now the first name, last name, and birth date, those are options as well that you can have for your Wi-Fi guests. So I'll go ahead and put in my first name, last name, GoZone. Make up a birth date here, connect. And we have the redirect to our home website. Now I'm going to show you what's happening in the background while guests are connecting to your new branded Wi-Fi network. On this main screen, you'll see an overview of the guests that have visited your location, broken down into new and repeat guests and overall connections. In the middle here, you will see a monthly summary, most recent connections, and your top guests from the last 15 days. With our system, you can build a loyalty program by rewarding your top guests with automated communications. At the bottom of this main page, you will see a demographics for devices used, gender, as well as age. All this data can be used to analyze traffic patterns and predict future trends. Now that you know who your customers are, you can refine your marketing and business practices to better cater to your clientele. So what exactly can you do with all this data that you've collected? Well, through the marketing campaigns, you can create those automated communications. This platform is completely plug and play. What does that mean? The system not only aggregates customer data, but it will send automated marketing messages to your guests. Here's where you create email automations and send customized messages to guests after specific actions are taken. For example, you can create an email to go out to guests 5 days after the first connection, thanking them for the visit and offering them an incentive to come back. Within the dashboard, you can even create and send trackable and redeemable coupons. Our user-friendly email builder allows you to quickly and easily create marketing emails to send to your guests. If you already use a CRM tool, GoZone WiFi can help you build your existing list. Our system integrates with MailChimp, Constant Contact, Fishbowl, Robly, and over 1,000 apps with Zapier. With Marketing4WiFi, your customers will enjoy a simple and easy user experience, and you will be able to grow your business with a customized marketing solution.